Ó, morena!
Aonde?
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sitting class.
E aí, manos, mais um vídeo aí, ó, começando. Eu tô com vergonha, é nóis.
Eu também.
Olha os caras aí, ó. Ramos, Preto SW. Tem ideia, velho. Hoje eu pego o Swim Fat, viu?
E hoje eu vou treinar braços, então vamos.
Que isso, velho? Pode palavrão aqui não, velho.
Censura aí, censura aí.
Family friend aqui.
Can I break this hole from you? It would mean everything to me if I do.
Por que choras, Larosa?
Tired of hearing excuses you make.
Ó, o mano Caio aí, ó, vai pegar o swing 360 agora. O primeiro.
Agora.
Não, não tem pressão não.
Não, é a realidade.
Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending our time living I've made up. I need to wake up.
Quase me.
Quase que é quase.
You only wanted me to fail. Oh, I'm this way because of you. Fall every day to overcome despite you. Wake up. Wake up. Tired of hearing excuses you're making. Future is set, it is mine for the taking. Spending our time living I've made up. I need to wake up.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love the same shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout, see where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. Still they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. Still their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical, but man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional, so I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no, that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop and pray.
I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous, yeah.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 AM, I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious, and I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, ballin' on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in, calling, I'll be something. Yeah, I'ma get it now, you can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest.
Let the darkness take control. Breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control.
I'm just fucking lit, man, I'm just fucking lit. Drink a bottle of this shit, man, bottle of this shit. I'm about to write a hit, man, about to write a hit. No, I'm never gonna quit, man, never gonna quit. I just took another hit, man, took another hit. I'm about to lose my shit, man, about to lose my shit. Does she have a fucking wristband? Yes, she needs that shit. Better get her out real quick, man, get her out real quick.
President of the future. Are you a drinker or a loser?
Vai, carai! Vai!
Are you a winner or a loser? And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. I swore that I would never fucking back down. Woo!
Pass the bottle and the fifth, man, bottle and the fifth. Cause I'm feeling like the shit, man, feeling like the shit. Yeah, her body's like a gift, man, her body's like a gift.
Encerrando mais um vídeo aí, ó, os caras aí, ó. Quito. Cadê, vai falar pra aí?
E aí, man, eu vim aqui hoje pra tentar mandar o swing 360. Eu consegui mandar, infelizmente não foi registrado, mas... Na próxima você tá ligado.
E eu vou mandar o 540 no próximo vídeo.
Bota fé. E uma coisa, galera, esquece não, inscreva no canal e deixe seu like.
É isso aí, deixa o like, é nóis.